Hello, here's another AQA Physics multi-choice question. You can choose a different question by clicking on the information bar here, or you can wait till the end of this video and then there'll be some other options. But if you want to do this question, I suggest you pause the video now. And if you got the answer B, well done. Here's my explanation. So, which of the following is a possible unit of impulse? Well, impulse really is just the same as change in momentum. And if you look on your data sheets, you'll see that impulse is given as force multiplied by the change in time, and that's equal to the change in momentum, mass and velocity. So let's just put some units in here. So impulse is a Newton and a second, and it's also mass is kilograms, velocity is meters per second, it's also a kilogram meters per second. So it's not that, because that's newtons per second, not newton seconds. There we have the correct one, kilogram meters per second. Hopefully that was useful. If it was, press that subscribe button, share with your friends, press the like button. Thank you for watching.